Welcome to today's chemistry lesson. Our focus will be on understanding chemical symbols, determining valencies of elements, and writing chemical formulas using the Criss Cross method. Chemical symbols are short forms of element names. They are written using one or two letters. The first letter is always capitalized, while the second letter is lowercase. Here are common elements and their symbols. Notice that some symbols are based on their Latin names. Some symbols come from Latin names. For example, Na comes from natrium, Fe from ferrum, and K from kalium. Let's take a look at what valency is. Valency is the combining power of an element. It tells us how many electrons an atom can gain, lose, or share. Using the periodic table, we can find the valency of elements based on their group number. Group 1 has a valency of 1. Group 2 has a valency of 2. And so on. To write a chemical formula, we use the Criss Cross method. Start by writing the symbols, then their valencies. Next, crisscross the valencies and simplify if needed. Now, let's take a look at some examples on how to write chemical formula using the Criss Cross method. We will start with sodium chloride. Step 1. Write the symbols of the two elements. Sodium is Na, chlorine is Cl. Step 2. Write the valencies under the symbols. Sodium has 1. Chlorine also has 1. Step 3. Crisscross the valencies. 1 moves to the opposite element. Step 4. Simplify the subscripts. The number 1 is not written in the final formula. Therefore, the correct formula is NaCl. Next, let's look at how to write the formula of carbon dioxide. Step 1. Write the chemical symbols. Carbon is C, and oxygen is O. Step 2. Write the valencies of each element. Carbon has a valency of 4. Oxygen has a valency of 2. Step 3. Crisscross the valencies. The valency of carbon becomes the subscript of oxygen, and the valency of oxygen becomes the subscript of carbon. Step 4. Simplify the subscripts by dividing both by 2. This gives 1 carbon and 2 oxygen atoms. The final formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause if you need more time to answer the questions. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.